Hi, in this video I wanna show you how to create shutdown shortcut on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you double click on this shortcut, your computer will be shut down. It is very useful. How to create this shortcut? Right click on your desktop, then new shortcut, and then paste this text: shutdown space dash s space dash t space 0. Then go press next and press name if you what you want. Then finish. This shortcut is already worked, but we may add picture on our shortcut. For this, right click, properties, then change icon, OK, and choose any picture that you want. Press OK, press OK. And now we have our shutdown shortcut with picture, and we can put this icon to any place on our desktop.